Hi, my name is David Kuczer and I'm reviewing Greatmats that I've just recently installed. So for my wife's Christmas present, she wanted a home gym. So what I did was I decided, okay, what space I was going to utilize, and I called Greatmats. And the young lady on the phone was extremely helpful, talking me through the process. What we ended up with was an 8mm 2x2 interlocking tile. And if you look down, you'll see that it's a blue-gray, which is very friendly, especially for dirt or anything else. What my wife truly loves about this floor, as it looks seamless, and it's very easy to clean with a Swiffer mop jet, okay? Keeps it clean, and now she has her entire work area. So I put in the weights, I designed it so that she had her own workout area in a very clean environment. Now, as far as the installation process, I did all the installation. Extremely easy. I had a rubber hammer, and then you interlock the tiles. As you can see, down here in the ground, they all interlock perfectly, and it looks seamless. This only took me one night for me to install the entire floor, and look how fantastic it looks. I would highly recommend Greatmats and their product, as this has been a fantastic project for my wife and who loves it. Thank you.